Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Hiral Tatia. We have with us Kunal Shah, Head of Commodities Research, joining in. Welcome to the show, Kunal. Kunal, clearly with regards to the way crude has been performing right now, because if you see the inventory data that did come out yesterday, with that, if you see OPEC, which is lined up to meet on the 30th of November, where the anticipation is that they could be extending further cuts into 2021 as well.
Yeah, so the final meeting is at the end of the month on 13th November and 1st of December. And in that, there is a very strong chance, apart from Libya, all of the other members are going to continue to talk about the prospects of new cuts. And that itself is a bullish trigger for crude oil. And in anticipation of all of that, crude oil prices are moving up. So
Hmm.
I'm of the view that crude oil can rally for 31 60, 31.50 are kind of levels which you can see in 1 or 2 days. 3080 good levels to go long. 3045 should be your stop loss, and I think it should go up.
Right. And again, with regards to the dollar index as well, how do you see it moving?
Moving down, but it is not causing gold prices to move up. A lot of people are asking me from last 2 days that, sir, dollar index is going down and gold prices are still not going up.
Correct.
Gold prices are not going up because of two reasons. Number one reason is that after the US election, we were going to see the stimulus package which was going to be introduced. So that
Hmm.
stimulus is not coming, and there is a lot of negotiation going on with this respect, that whether the stimulus will come or not come, and there is a discussion going on. So till the time the discussion, the stimulus is not coming, gold and silver are not going to move up. And another reason is that two big companies, Moderna and Pfizer, both have launched the drugs, and by the end of December, you are going to see a major distribution which is going to start for the vaccine.
Hmm.
I think that is something which is denting the outlook of gold, because if the vaccine comes, then sentimentally the fear trade of gold is going to decline, and hence gold prices can go down further, 50,200 to 250. Silver can go down to 62,500 to 62,200. But broadly speaking, they are going to remain up on the longer run. But in near term, we are going to see some more pain before it actually really shoots up.
Right. And with regards to base metals as well, there is some bit of support that's coming in, especially with regards to copper. You have been positive. The data that came out from China is also indicating that there is that up move that could be possible. What would your strategy be with regards to base metals?
Copper, I'm bullish. Copper, I'm recommending to go long at 544, 545 current levels. 550 to 552 should be the target. The only reason it is not moving up is that it is already trading at 2 years high. So amidst all the corona news, every
Mm.
negative we had, and copper prices are still really going up. I'll just try to share the data with you guys. What is happening in China? China's
Mm.
production accelerated from 6.9% in November to 7.2 in October.
Mm.
Faster in the last 19 months. The PMI of manufacturing PMI in China is standing at 53.9. If you look at what is happening with the fixed asset investment, that is also going up. So all the broader indicator of Chinese economy are moving up, and hence the demand of China is going to remain strong. Supply is going to remain constrained. So copper's outlook remains bullish.
Right. So apart from copper, anything else that you would recommend from the base metals front?
So we've initiated an intraday sell call in nickel. So around 1170, 1165 are the levels where I would again go long in nickel for the upside target of 1220. Looks fundamentally very bullish to me.
Right. And anything that looks interesting on the agri commodity front?
Chana looks very bullish to me. December contract Chana can be bought for the upside target of 5500. The current market price is 5200.
And so these are strategies we should be watching out for. And the outlook with regards to both, bullion, crude, as well as base metals, and a couple of strategies coming in for agri commodities as well. I think, Kunal, there is one question coming in right now as we speak. What are the levels for selling bullion?
Okay. Already it is 300, 300, 400 rupees down. So silver, I would go short around 63,000, and gold, I would go short around 50,550.
And I hope that question is answered as well. Thank you, everyone, so much for joining in. Thank you, Kunal.